this is my doorbell. It came with a replaceable lithium battery. It worked fine all summer, then got a little hit and miss in the winter. I came to the conclusion it was probably a result of the battery getting too cold, as it started working again when the weather improved. As the temperature drops, the battery internal resistance goes up, and its ability to deliver power diminishes. I could swap it out for a battery with more charge so that it had enough left over when it gets cold, but replacing batteries periodically sounds inconvenient. I don't do half measures. If I'm changing this battery, I'm only doing it once. So, I dug out a solar panel, a supercapacitor. The solar panel can trickle charge the supercapacitor in the day and provide power overnight or on dull days. There needs to be a diode in there to stop the capacitor discharging through the solar panel at night. It's been working flawlessly for months now. It's a solid mod. I would recommend it.
That'll do.